Today I want to talk to you about something very important for me, and I want to share it with you because I think this one is very good. What happened is that I was on vacation a week ago. I just came back a week ago from Peru, and when you go on vacation, what do? You go out of your daily routine. You don't, sometimes you say you're gonna follow the routine, you're gonna do the same thing, you're gonna eat healthy and stuck with that, and sometimes it's not true. I was planning to do the same things that I was doing here, but it didn't happen, and I want to share to you that when I was there first, I ate a lot. I ate things that usually I don't eat in a daily basis. So, and also I didn't take care of my skin the way I supposed to take care. I didn't do all the steps that I usually do with my face. I'm very picky with my face, and I didn't. So when I came back here, I have a lot of rashes on my face. I have a lot of red spots. You don't have an idea how much red spots I have here, and it's because I was eating things that I love it, they are okay. But when you eat something that you don't eat in a daily day, um, it makes some changes to your body. So, and also if somebody doesn't take care of their skin, the way that we're supposed to do, you see after uh, days, you see the results of that. So I want to share with you what I did to make my skin much better, because I was scared of my skin. I saw my face so red over here, and I have a little pimples coming out, and I didn't like it. I really didn't like it. I can use makeup, I love makeup, but even with makeup, those things is show, you know and I want to share with you what I did to get rid of those red spots. And I did something that I heard that is good, and I did my own measures. I did the things that I know that it will be okay for me. And what I use is these beautiful things that I always use for anything. So this is organic coconut oil, and this organic coconut oil, I use it in daily basis. If you see inside, it's almost empty, and it's liquid. And why is liquid, right? It's liquid because the weather in here is very warm. Even if it's stay inside, it's gonna get like that. In winter you will see this very solid. You will not see this like now. So I use half of teaspoon, because I prepare this daily in the morning and at night. I use half of teaspoon of this organic coconut oil, and it has to be cold pressed and refined. And I mix it on my palm. I pour it in there with 1 drop of lavender oil. Yes, 1 drop of lavender oil, only 1 drop of lavender oil. And I mix it with my finger, because my hands, it has to be clean first, my face has to be clean. I do my cleanser, my toner, and then I do that. I prepare that things, coconut oil, and one drop of lavender oil, essential oil. And you can use any brand, but make sure that the brand is very good, because you need, even organic is the best on essential oil. So I use that, I mix it on my palm, and then I apply it to my face. And I use my fingers first to make sure that it goes everywhere on my face, and then I do massage on my face. I go even with my knuckles in here, this part, and I go right there, I go over here, I do everything like that. I do every part of my face. I do a massage on my face, and I use my fingers too, and I stay with that for about maybe 5 minutes or 6 7 minutes, depend how much minutes I want to do. And then I just finish that, and I just leave my face like that. You're gonna see a little oil in there, but with the minutes is gonna your skin is gonna absorb that. So then after that, you either, if it's in the morning, you can use the makeup if you want, well, even if you don't use makeup, you will be okay. And also after that, you can apply your sunscreen lotion if you want, if it's in the morning. And at nighttime, if you do that at nighttime, it will be ready to go to the bed. That's what I did for 3 days, and look at my skin is much better. It was really damaged because not only the food that I ate, I didn't took care of my skin the proper way, but also because the weather, it was very hot in a few places that I visited, and I was very cold in the other places, so it was kind of like a change for me. So I hope that this video has a value for you, and don't forget, these two things are amazing. Not only if you have those problems, but using like a moisturizer, they are together very good. Because this one, let me tell you one more time, this one, lavender, has a lot of properties. Also, it could calm your skin rashes, and it could be for many things. And also, if you apply it, those one drop on your like a cream on your face, also it's gonna help you to sleep better, because you're gonna smell the essential oil, and that's wonderful, that's amazing. So I hope this video have value to you, and I will see you soon. And if I didn't say before, my name is Hilda, and I love all the things about skincare and music, makeup. You know me, and a mom, and I love everything. So I will see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye.